Pnawn da bawb a chroeso cynnes I chi. Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the National Seren Academy Conference. Glended wi, ac fe weles I rai ohonoch chi nôl yn yr hydre. Yes, some of you remember me from the Seren launch in October, and I'm delighted to be with you once again to host the first virtual National Seren Academy Conference. Fe fyddai gyda chi yn ystod y ddeuddydd nesaf yma. I'll be your host for this two-day conference, ac fel gwelwch chi, mae dwyieithrwydd ar waith yma. I'll be presenting bilingually in English and Welsh throughout the event. We recognise that this is a difficult time for all of us. Ydy mae'n dal yn gyfnod anodd I bawb, felly diolch. Thank you for taking the time to attend this conference. Thank you too to all our contributors who've given up their time to provide you with their insight and knowledge at this conference. Diolch iddynt weithio hefyd. Felly pam rydych chi yma heddi? Why are you here today? As I said at the launch, you've all been selected because you have the potential to study and succeed at leading universities here in Wales, the UK and overseas. A beth gall y Gynhadledd gynnig I chi? What does this conference offer you? Well, over the 2 days, yn y pnawniau, in the afternoon sessions, dosbarthiadau meistr fydd ar gael. You'll have the opportunity to attend academic masterclasses in a range of disciplines. A gyda'r nos, mwy o wybodaeth ac arweiniad. In the evening sessions, we invite you and your parents and carers to engage in the information, advice and guidance sessions, the IAGs. Gwrandewch ar fyfyrwyr ac arbenigwyr yn rhannu cyngor a sôn am gyfleon. You'll hear from leading academics from Seren partner universities, Seren alumni and current undergraduates. Hear about exciting upcoming opportunities and join us in the live question and answer sessions. Heno, tonight's live session will be on understanding student finance, scholarships and bursaries. Ac os oes yna gwestiwn i'w holi, if you have any questions on how student finance works, the support available to our students, or how to manage your finances at university, e-bostiwch. Please email seren@casba.biz. Nos yfory, then tomorrow, fe fyddwn yn edrych ar y cyd-destun rhyngwladol. We'll hear from a panel of experts on applying for international courses and summer schools. You'll hear all about the Seren summer schools beforehand. But any questions you have, again, please email to seren@casba.biz. Ond cyn I ni ddechrau, gair bach o esboniad. As many of our contributors are from outside of Wales, fe fydd rhai cyflwyniadau yn Saesneg yn unig. Some of the presentations will be in English only, but feel free to ask any questions for our IAG sessions in either English or Welsh. Rydyn ni yn medru cynnig rhai dosbarthiadau meistr yn y Gymraeg. We are able to offer some masterclasses through the medium of Welsh, felly dewiswch eich opsiwn. You have the option to choose which version of the masterclass you wish to see. Masterclasses available through the medium of Welsh are marked on the programme with the orange iaith gwaith speech bubble, a swigen bach oren yma. You'll automatically be shown the masterclass in the language you've selected when you registered for this event. Ond mae modd I chi newid hefyd. If at any time over the next 2 weeks you wish to switch languages, simply toggle between the English and Cymraeg buttons ar y top ar y dde, in the top right of the screen. Ond cyn y dosbarthiadau meistr, before we begin the masterclass sessions, dyma ambell nodyn mwyn cadw trefn, some housekeeping reminders. Both days of the conference are split into an afternoon and evening session, sesiwn pnawn a nos. Bydd sesiynau'r pnawn, the afternoon sessions, yn gyfle edrych yn ddyfnach ar bynciau. They'll give you the opportunity to explore academic subjects in depth and help you to start thinking about what course might be right for you at university. Gyda'r nos, the evening sessions will focus on information, advice and guidance about university applications and university life. Ar ôl I fi orffen nawr, ewch nôl at y lobby. For this afternoon, once I've finished speaking, you'll need to revisit the lobby area. There you'll find links to the masterclass sessions. A chofiwch, if you'd like the option of watching a masterclass through the medium of Welsh, cofiwch glicio ar adran Gymraeg event box. Make sure you click on the Cymraeg section of event box. Once you've clicked on the link at the time shown, The session will start automatically. Byddwn nôl fan hyn wedyn. We'll gather back here together at 3:40 p.m. to finish this afternoon's sessions, and I'll let you know about this evening's sessions at that point. Felly gadewch i ni ddechrau'r gynhadledd yma. Let's get this conference underway. Dyma groesawu nôl. I'd like to welcome back y Gweinidog Addysg, the Minister for Education, Kirsty Williams, a hefyd a Seren alumni, Lowri Woolard, Darcy Holland, a Joseph Phelps.
Shemai, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the Seren Academy Annual Conference. Every year, attending the conference has always been a highlight of my calendar. But although things are different this year, I'm delighted to be here with you virtually, particularly as it's the last time that I'll be taking part and addressing you as your Education Minister. During the last 4 years, I have been so proud to see Seren grow and help more and more of Wales's brightest students, just like you, to reach their goals and to go on to study at some of the world's leading universities, including those here in Wales. I am proud of Seren's expansion into an international programme recognised by the most competitive American universities and as far afield as Yale NUS in Singapore, and seen the offering expand to support learners through the Seren Foundation programme. And there are many more exciting relationships being built for the future. Today, we have a record number of over 16,000 learners in Seren and more than 3,000 in Year 12, clearly showing that we have an incredibly strong cohort of high-achieving pupils with tremendous potential to succeed. Yes, that's you. I have championed Seren throughout my time as Education Minister because I believe in you all. And at times I have been challenged by some of my fellow members of the Senedd, and quite rightly so. But I have always been clear that every Welsh learner deserves the best education possible, and as our investment in you shows, whether that's here at our great Welsh universities, those throughout the United Kingdom, including our partner colleges at the universities of Oxford and Cambridge, or at one of the leading international universities. We have Seren alumni studying across the world, some of whom will be taking part in this conference, and regardless of where they are studying or working now, they want to support, to mentor, and help you believe in yourselves and reach your academic potential. Giving something back is an integral part of the Seren journey. While many of you will come back to work in Wales or undertake postgraduate studies, some of you may not return immediately. But our alumni have demonstrated that they are supporting our education community and economy from across the world. I'd like to give you just one example. Oliver Thomas, who was educated in Wales, studied at Jesus College, Oxford, and then completed his Masters at Harvard University before returning to the UK, where he works as a growth equity investor based in England. As a proud Welshman and a supporter of Jesus College, of course known as Oxford's Welsh College, he donated £1 million of his own money to secure the long-term provision of Seren's annual residential summer school run by Jesus College. His generous investment in the college and Seren helps secure futures for many more students to come. And it means that you will have the chance to apply for this highly competitive summer school next year and the life-changing opportunity it can bring as you prepare for your onward academic journey. We have created more than 400 summer school places supported by the world's best universities for you to apply for next year. And I encourage you all to make the most of what Seren brings to you. Wherever your academic journey takes you, please do stay in touch with Seren and help us to inspire the next cohort by sharing your knowledge and experiences and be a potential investor in the future. If you've taken part in a debate at your school, performed at the National Eisteddfod, formed part of a science Olympiad, represented your school, college, county or even Wales at sport, or made that try-saving tackle on a wet, muddy pitch on a Sunday morning, all of it, it demands hard work, determination, and quite often has taken you out of your comfort zone. Being challenged and wanting to improve and push yourself is healthy. So stand up for what you believe in. Don't doubt yourself and don't be afraid to create your own path in life. You will always find help along the way, and Seren will provide you with opportunities to engage with your schools and colleges, to push yourself once again, to debate and compete at the highest levels, not least nationally and possibly internationally through one of Seren's summer schools. During my time as Minister for Education, I'm proud to say that we have punched above our weight and seen more offers at both Oxford and Cambridge universities. And we're starting to see the returns of this investment with our Seren alumni graduating and wanting to come back to Wales to work or to teach. We know that Seren is working on so very many levels. The Seren journey, though, relies on dedication, commitment, and the drive of many, many people. And I'd like to thank each of them for believing in Seren and believing in your academic potential and helping us build a future that each one of you deserves. Seren is like a team sport, relying on a wide range of participants, including the players, the backroom staff, the coaching team, and not forgetting the strong and committed supporters, the boards of directors, and even the pundits and opposition. And it's thanks to your dedicated team of teachers, the Seren coordinators, the outreach teams, and our community ambassadors, sponsors, and alumni that we're providing the opportunities for you to practice, to refine your skills, and to be pitch ready by the time you apply for the leading universities in Wales, the UK, or overseas. Clearly, Seren is what you make of it. Always believe in yourself and reach for those stars. Diolch a pob lwc.
Hello.
Hello, Shemai.
Hello! Welcome to your first National Seren Conference. We're all Seren graduates and we'd love to offer you a big warm welcome.
This conference has been a highlight of the Year 12 Seren calendar since 2016, and I'm sure it will be for you too. You're going to learn so much this week.
Pan oeddem ni yn flwyddyn 12, cawsom ni ein cludo I dre newydd ym Mhywys am ein Gynhadledd, yng nghanol gaeaf ac yn aml yn dechrau am 6 o'r gloch y bore.
That's definitely one of the huge benefits of doing things virtually, is that you get a little bit longer in bed.
Yn ddweud hynny, roedd hi'n werth cychwyn yn gynnar. Gwnaeth y Gynhadledd nes I fynychu yn flwyddyn 12 cynyddu fy hyder yn fawr, felly rydym yn gobeithio byddwch chi hefyd yn buddio ohono. Ac yn bosib yn buddio mwy, gyda'r amrywiaeth eang o sesiynau, dosbarthiadau meistr, cwestiwn ac ateb byw, a'r cyfleoedd am yr ysgolion haf.
We all know that COVID has changed many things, and this conference will be no different. But luckily, because of the virtual format, you'll actually benefit from increased opportunities. Don't forget that even though you may have only enrolled for 4 masterclasses, you can always do more at a later date.
The sessions over the next 2 days will provide you with information, advice and guidance, and an introduction to the subject-specific masterclasses.
Ie, mae yna lawer yn mynd ymlaen. Nawr, roeddem ni gyd wedi rhyfeddu gyda'r ymateb ar ddechrau'r tymor I lansiad gwobr Seren, lle wnaeth dros 1,300 ohonoch wneud cais. Ac yn bresennol, mae cannoedd ohonoch wedi cyflawni eich asesiad lefel brifysgol gyntaf.
Now, we wanted to take this opportunity to remind you to make the most of all the resources and case studies that are available from other Seren students, who, like us, have already graduated from Seren and who are now studying at leading universities. We are all here to help you, just like the Seren students before us helped us.
Yes, and we have Seren alumni all across the world who would love to help you. Why don't we hear from some now? Hey guys, how are you?
Shemai.
I know that for me, Seren was a huge confidence boost. How has Seren helped you? And do you have any tips?
Yeah, sure. So in year 12, I was so anxious, but yet again, I was so excited. I was ready for any new opportunities that would come my way and so eager to explore all the pathways that were available to me. The conference allowed me to discover new exciting opportunities, such as the Certain Trust US program, and these all made huge differences in my life and gave me the confidence to apply and actually think that I'm capable of attending university in the US. So my tips for people in year 12 right now is explore every opportunity that comes your way. Don't pass up on anything because you never know how they can change your life.
Fi'n credu just, ch'mod, wneud be chi'n gallu i ddarganfod mwy o wybodaeth, achos bod y mwy o wybodaeth sydd da chi, mae fe mwy haws wedyn i mynd off a ymgeisio. Fi'n credu just gwybodaeth yw'r peth gorau gallech chi cael. So, ch'mod, darllenwch popeth, talwch sylw yn be bynnag y seminars neu be bynnag chi'n cael, a just mwynhewch, really.
My advice would be to take every opportunity that Seren offers to you, no matter if you think it doesn't or does relate to the field that you want to go into in university. Take every opportunity. You won't lose anything. You won't regret it. I took every opportunity and it's got me to where I wanted to be, the university I wanted to be at, and the course I wanted to study.
Diolch I bawb am hynny, a gobeithio dros y blynyddoedd nesaf wrth i'ch siwrnau Seren datblygu, chi fydd yn rhoi y cefnogaeth a chyngor i'r genhedlaeth nesaf o ddysgwyr Seren, yn eich ysgolion, hwb, neu yn bosib fel rhan o'r Gynhadledd Genedlaethol neu lansiadau fel ni.
Yes, definitely, summer schools are an amazing opportunity. I went to the Jesus College one and it was a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Mae Seren yn beth bynnag rwy ti'n wneud ohono, ac rydych chi I gyd yn barod yn cymryd mantais o'r cyfleoedd, ac mae hynny'n gret. Peidiwch anghofio I barhau ddefnyddio adnoddau ble rydych yn astudio eich hwb lleol a thrwy gyfleoedd megis yr ysgolion haf a digwyddiadau ar-lein.
So guys, before we go, can you remember what it was like when we were year 12s? What would you say to everyone watching?
I would definitely tell all the year 12s to say yes to every opportunity and make the most of the experiences that they can.
Wrth edrych yn ôl I flwyddyn 12, byddai byth wedi meddwl byddai nawr yn astudio yn prifysgol. Ewch amdani a cymrwch mantais o'r holl gyfleoedd mae Seren roi I chi.
Yeah, I totally agree with you guys. Uni is so much fun. So that's it from the three of us. Enjoy the conference and have a great time, and we'll catch up again with you soon. Bye.
Hwyl, pob lwc.
Bye! Good luck!
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you, Minister. A diolch to Lori, Darcy and Joseph. Felly gadewch I ni ddechrau gyda'r dosbarthiadau meistr na. Let's begin those masterclass sessions. Cewch flas o'r cwestiynau mawr sy'n ymwneud â'ch pynciau. These masterclasses will give you a taste of the type of research on big questions you might explore if you were to study that subject at university. Each one is delivered by a leading academic from our partner universities who'll give you a flavour of university subjects to study. Fe fydd na fyfyriwr yno hefyd yn rhoi gair o brofiad. There'll also be a current undergraduate who's studying that discipline to provide you with an insight into what it's really like to study that subject at university, what a typical timetable will look like, and the university experience. The chi eisoes wedi dewis dau. You've already chosen your 2 masterclasses for today. Please click the link to that subject choice in the lobby. Wedi hynny, at the end of the first masterclass session, you'll then be able to see the second masterclass today. Cliciwch eto. Click on that relevant link in the lobby. Yna cewch gyfle I fyfyrio rhywfaint. After the masterclasses are finished, you'll have 15 minutes to reflect on what you've heard today. Dyle'r adnoddau fod gennych eisoes. You'll have been sent the resources alongside your sign-up link. But don't worry, you can also download from the lobby area. Lawr lwythwch o ardal y lobby. This is time for you to independently consider the masterclasses you've seen today and to create an action plan for your future. I'll remind you of that later. Ond nawr, amser I fynd nôl i'r lobby. It's time now to head back into the lobby and to select your first masterclass and enjoy hearing from the experts in these fields and current students studying at university. Mwynhewch!